Hello everybody, this is Mr. Storm. In this video, I want to show you how to download and use the UMA design template that I've sent out to you. If you are watching this video and you don't have access to the design template, but you would like access to it, I can show you a way to get access to it even if you don't have the download. So I've sent you an email with a link to this file right here. That all you have to do is just download it and you will have an actual file on your computer. Let me pull up my downloads to show you. So there is the file, right? Now how you're going to use this in Canvas is you're going to find a course that you want to use this template in. So let's say, for example, I want to import this into my Computer Systems 1 class. I'm going to go into the course and I'm going to import existing content, okay? Now what I'm looking for in here, instead of copy a Canvas course, I'm looking for a Canvas course export package. That's the option we want. I'm going to choose File, go to my Downloads again, grab that export package. And I'll say all content because there's only one page in this export package. It will take a moment to upload. And now it's done. So I should be able to go back to my home and I should see the Canvas template page is not actually indicated as my home page yet. What I have to do first is I have to go to Pages. And this is listed as front page. So that's what I want. I was coming here to check to make sure that that was listed as front page. If I go back to home, then I can click choose home page and Pages front page. It looks like it took a second, but it did it for us automatically. All right, so let's talk about this design template and how to use it. What I've done here is I've given you 3 unique sections, okay? This first section is just a static image. It's just a picture. You're gonna wanna change this picture, obviously, to something more like what you want. The size of this picture, let me just save this image real quick and then I'll take a look at the details. Sure, template header, sounds good. And let me open up the template header. Oh, my computer is being very slow today. Let's go to properties. That's the faster way to do it. Or so you thought. Well, my computer is being very temperamental today. Interesting. Okay. Where's my notebook? I have oh, here we go. So we're looking at a size of, we're looking at a size of 1920 wide, by 480 tall. So that's in pixels. So 1920 pixels wide by 480 pixels tall. You can make your image different. It doesn't have to be those sizes, but if you want this exact size, that's what you're going for, 1920 by 480. So you're gonna wanna replace this image to something that is relevant to your classroom. Down here, I have these 5 buttons. These buttons will take you to specific places in the course. That makes sense. The only one that won't take you away from this page is Instructor. Instructor will pull up a panel here for students where you can put your picture, your biography, links to your email, whatever, your website, whatever you want. I'll show you how to edit that here in a minute. But syllabus will go to your course syllabus. Modules will go to course modules. Grades will go to the grade book. For students, if they click grades, it'll take them to their specific grades in that course. And then discussions will go to the discussions tab. Now, you may not be using discussions in your class, so you can get rid of that one if you like, or change it to something else. These images or these little icons here, these are 75 pixels by 75 pixels. And all I've done is, just added some text to them and then a little nice piece of clip art. You can do that very quickly in what do they call it now? Adobe Express, I think. Or if you have other image editing software that you like to use, you can do that as well. Or you can find buttons online if you want to do that. Let's see. Okay, so that's all of these buttons, these 5 buttons here. And then we have this accordion menu. The accordion menu requires a bit of HTML programming to get it to work. But if you want to use it, I can show you the HTML and how to use or how to edit this properly. If you only want 3 accordions, then you don't have to actually use any HTML editing. But if you want to add or remove some of these, I'll have to show you how to do that. Now to edit this template, if you click edit, it will pull up a page with all of the content, but it's going to look like it's in a weird order, right? So for example, it'll have your splash or your image, then your buttons, but then you're going to have your biography stuff right below it. And then the accordions are all going to be spread out. So let's talk about editing the image. To replace this image, all you have to do is delete the image that's here and then import your new image by uploading it, and then it will go right there where it's supposed to be. These buttons, these are all set up as links. You can remove the link to the buttons, or you can do link options, which will allow you to change where the link goes. Down here, this is the pop-out panel for your instructor stuff. Put your picture there. You can put your name there, write out your biography and links here. If you want to get rid of this altogether, you can delete this and then delete the button, and it won't show up on your page. These accordion buttons, these accordion menus, these are expanded out in the editing view. You can change what's in here. So instead of about the course, you can say about water buffaloes, right? Whatever you want it to be. You can change the title in here, about Spider Man, whatever you want it to be. You can change this, and then obviously in here you can change all that, add pictures, add links, whatever you want. So I've added 3 accordion menu options. Now if you want to change these accordion menu options, if you want to add more to them or remove some, if you click on this button right here, this is the HTML button. This will show you the HTML view. This is all the HTML code used to build this page. If you scroll down, you will see on line 13, there's this open Pac-Man mouth, details, close Pac-Man mouth, right? This angle bracket, details, angle bracket. This details element in web development, we call these elements. This details element is that accordion menu. So if you want to add another one, you can just copy from this details open to the details close. And I know it's a close because it has the / in front of the details. So this whole thing is one of those accordion menus. I can copy this, scroll to the bottom of the page, hit enter, and paste. And now I will have 4 instead of 3. You can also delete them by going from the details open to the details closed and just deleting them. Okay. And once you do that, you hit save, your changes will show up. So that's how you use this template. You can modify this for however you want. You can get rid of things, you can add things, or whatever. I just wanted to show you a couple of examples of ways you can build your homepage. This is the way that I build mine, with the splash, then the buttons, then the accordion menus. You can use any or all of these features if you'd like. Yeah, please let me know if you have any questions or if you need extra help on modifying or manipulating this design template. All right, peace.